Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this long loose waves hair in Dress to Impress. So if you want to get the perfect long loose waves, a hair combo that's totally stunning and gives major fairy tale energy, this is how you can create the look. So first, what you need to do is just click on the feminine category and put on these two hair. The first one is this one in here, and you can choose the color that you prefer, and then the second one in here. But here for the second one, I'm going to just use the bangs, color it the same, and next click on the up to category and put on this Harley Quinn hair, but to go it again into only bangs. Use the same color. And last one, here on the feminine category, you can just scroll down until you find this hair, click it, and fill it into no bangs. And that's it. So this is the final look for the long loose waves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on times. Bye.